Hi everybody, this is Qasim Nazir. Let me brief you on world's top accounting software. QuickBooks Enterprise is a robust accounting software designed for businesses with complex needs. Here are 10 benefits of using QuickBooks Enterprise. 1. Scalability. QuickBooks Enterprise is highly scalable, accommodating the growth of small to large businesses, offering more flexibility as your business expands. 2. Advanced reporting. It provides advanced reporting tools, allowing users to create customized reports tailored to their specific business needs, providing deeper insights into financial data. 3. Industry-specific features. QuickBooks Enterprise offers industry-specific features for manufacturing, wholesale, contractor, nonprofit, and retail businesses, catering to diverse business needs. 4. User permissions and security. Enhanced user permissions and security features provide control over data access, ensuring sensitive financial information is only accessible to authorized personnel. 5. Advanced inventory management. The software includes advanced inventory management features, helping businesses efficiently track and manage their inventory levels, orders, and manufacturing processes. 6. Customization options. QuickBooks Enterprise allows extensive customization, enabling users to tailor forms, reports, and other features to match the specific requirements of their business. 7. Multi-user access. Multiple users can simultaneously access QuickBooks Enterprise, facilitating collaborative work and increasing efficiency within the organization. 8. Remote accessibility. With hosting options, QuickBooks Enterprise allows users to access their accounting data remotely, providing flexibility for businesses with multiple locations or remote work setups. 9. Job costing. Robust job costing tools enable businesses to track expenses, revenues, and profitability for individual projects, enhancing project management and cost control. 10. Customer support and training. QuickBooks Enterprise users benefit from priority customer support and training resources, ensuring they have the necessary assistance to navigate the software effectively and address any issues promptly. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.